In this lesson, we're going to be talking about how to duplicate animations. Let's take a look at the example here. So we have this exploded view animation, and notice all the tires and rims expand out from the chassis except for the rear tire and rim on the left side. So instead of resetting up the same animation that we have occurring on the front, we can duplicate these animations and paste them to the back. So we'll start by opening up the project window, and you can do that by clicking on project or by pressing spacebar. And what I want to do here is go ahead and click on the rim, and that will highlight it in the scene tree, and we have the front left rim animation here. So what I'll do is I'll right click on it, select copy animation, and then we'll click on the rear rim, which will highlight it in the scene tree, and we can right click on this part and select paste animation. Now if we pull up our animation timeline here and scrub our timeline, we can see that animation having an effect. Now, one important thing to understand about what I did there is I simply pasted the animation. I didn't link the animation. So if I adjust this value, it affects only this rim. Now what if I wanted to have the animations linked so that if I adjust the value, they both are affected? Let me go ahead and delete this animation, and we'll go through that process. So again, I'll click on the front rim, I'll right click the animation and select copy, and we'll click on the rear rim, and in this case what we're going to do is paste linked animation. Now if we select the animation properties and adjust any of the values, they're both affected. Also, the animation icon shows a chain link. That indicates that this is part of a linked animation. You can unlink an animation at any time by right-clicking on it and select Unlink Animation. Alright, so let's do the same thing for the front tire. So we'll select it. We'll right-click on the front left tire, copy animation, click on the rear one, right-click, and select Paste Linked Animation. And again, as you can see, if we adjust these parameters, both are affected. So that's a look at copying and pasting animations.